Hello, and thank you for tuning in. In this video, we will use Ilco's idea machine to cut a key for a Sargent and Greenleaf 6870 lock. We begin by entering our settings on the home screen. In this case, we're entering our own cuts for a single key, so we select number 2, the option to insert our cuts. On the next screen, we have the option to enter the SSN of our key, which is a serial number assigned to all keys by Ilco. Or, we can use the up and down arrows to browse through the available manufacturers. We didn't have the SSN of our key on hand, so we used the arrows until we found S&G. On our current software for the idea machine, the only key available for S&G is the 6880, so this is selected by default. This is what we need, so we hit enter and move on to the next screen. The next screen prompts us to enter the cut codes for each bit. The idea machine reads codes from bow to tip, so we make sure our numbers are in the correct order. We enter bit 1 first, and then bit 2. The final screen shows us all of the information related to our key, and how the idea machine needs to be set up for cutting. This includes the SSN, the key material, the clamp and tail stock, the stop position for the key and the cutting clamp, the thickness of the cutter, adapters needed, and number of keys required for cutting. After the on-screen setup, we are ready to attach our key to the idea machine. We use the S1 clamp and the K1 tail stock to grip the key, and the adapter is number E21. We double-check that our cutter thickness is 1.25. Everything is set up correctly, and we are ready to begin cutting. After the machine finishes its cutting sequence, the final step is to see if the key works with our lock.